Hello, great learners. Welcome back to my channel. I have a question from Refraction Through Glasses. The question says the image of pin formed by a diverging lens of focal length 10 centimeters is 5 centimeters from the lens. Calculate the distance of the pin from the lens, and it is an SSC question. Alright, so let's begin. They say the image of a pin formed by a diverging lens. Now take note. Diverging lens, very interesting. Of focal length, so we have focal length 10 centimeters is 5 centimeters. Now they say the image of a pin formed is 5 centimeters. So if we represent image with letter V, object with letter U, and then focal length with letter F, then we'll observe that this is taking us to what? Mirror's formula. 1 over F is equals to 1 over U plus 1 over V, right? Okay, so let's continue. Now, point to take are this. Whenever you're talking about a diverging lens, we are to note the following. 1. The image formed is virtual. Therefore, V is negative. And also, the focal length is also what? Negative. For every diverging lens, the focal length is what? Negative. Alright, if that is taken care of, now let's pick up our values. Focal length F is equals to 10 centimeters, which, because it is a diverging lens, say it tends to what? Minus 10 centimeters. And they say the image of a pin, image now, V, formed by a diverging lens of focal length 10 centimeters is 5. So the image is 5 centimeters. So V is equals to 5 centimeters. But by virtue of being a diverging lens, we will now be having minus 5 centimeters. Remember our explanation here. So what we are looking for is U, because they say we should calculate the distance of the pin, and that pin is the object. So now let's substitute these values into this equation. So if we want to replace by substitution of our values into this equation, we know that F will now be 1 over, okay, let's write it here first and do it gradually. Okay, so F is minus 10, so we have 1 over minus 10. It's equals to 1 over U. I'm looking for the object. And then this is minus 5, right? Okay, so let's arrange our values. So this is going to be minus 10. It's equals to 1 over U. This minus will take over this plus and occupy the place, right? Alright, now let's collect like terms. We have minus 10 here, so let's this minus 5 cross over to meet it. So if it cross over, it becomes plus, right? And we'll be left with only 1 over U here. So we'll have 1 over 5 plus, so the 1 over 5 now becomes plus, and then this becomes minus 1 over 10, right? And it's equals to 1 over U, since we did not touch it, so it just comes down, right? Okay, so here we're going to be taking LCM, and our LCM here is 10. So this is going to be 10 divided by 5. It's going to give us 2. So 2 times 1 will give you 2, minus 10 divided by itself will give us 1. 1 times 1 will give us 1, and it's equals to 1 over U, right? So 2 minus 1 is going to give you 1 over 10, and it's equals to 1 over U. So since this side and this side are equal, their having a fraction of 1 over, so you can cross multiply. You say this times this will give you u, this times this will give you 10, so we have 10 centimeter. So the image that is formed is 10 centimeters. According to them, that we should calculate the distance of the pin from the lens. So the image that is formed is 10 centimeters from the lens. So calculate the distance of the pin from the lens. So the image that is formed, which is the pin, is 10 centimeters. Is 10 centimeters from the lens. All right. If you follow suit from start to finish, you are a winner. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.